Sure.
Mommy, can I taste something? I actually saw that. Yeah, there's 18 pounds.
Yeah.
Guys, we're at Lake Tahoe and we're at some harbor. Wait, 37 minutes? Yeah, and we are trying to make the scenery sit. Now let's see. Oh no, darn not. So they have goose over here. But there's a goose right there, goose right there. Yeah. There's a lot. And I'm a goose too. Yeah. Like my sister. Daddy, I'm gonna say something. There's goose everywhere. Hey guys, there's snow on the mountain right there. Guys, the water is cold. So I've been watching off myself because I got sandy and it's cold.
裸体就算了，因为我们都不那个。
like movies like on TV.
I just did this.
Oh, you think bears go for a little bit here like nice time? I wonder about back here. Probably a little warmer back here.
Chipmunk.
Did you see him?
Chipmunk.
There he is in the corner right there. He's running around the edges of the bush.
Chipmunk.
And there's one right there.
Chipmunk.
You see it?
Yeah.
There.
Daddy. 3 girls. Daddy. The boys also
Yes.
are girlfriend.
Uh-huh.
Whoa, look at your water. Daddy, look, I see a red ant. That's a fire ant. That's a fire ant. It's a fire ant. It's a fire ant. Guys, look. See? If it's red, that means if you put your hand on the floor.
Yeah, water, beautiful.
That looks like a shark right there. That rock. Look, that looks like a fish in a rock. The other one looks like a fish. Guys, the other one looks like a fish and the other one looks like a shark.
In the backyard.
Yeah.
And he told, I think, and sell it in the store.
They sold it after they cut it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The seed over there, one over there. And I throw that tree away.
Wow.
The water at Lake Tahoe. Over 60 streams flow into Lake Tahoe. Just one, the Truckee River, flows out, eventually into Pyramid Lake.
Good idea.
Oh, Jonathan, the picture.
Record, baby.
He is. Send that to brother, Daddy.
Finally.
I wonder who hurt you. I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What's